Okay, today we're going to do A Well-Respected Man by the Kinks. Came out in the 60s, but it's, no matter what, it's withstood the test of time. It's a fun song to play, not too complicated. Good for like an advanced beginner. Okay, the song starts on G, just a single strum. And then there's a walk-up that goes ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, open A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And that gives you preparation to play the first chord of the verse. So we have G, walk up. Okay. So now, the way I would do it is note, strum. I'm on the C chord. Note, strum. Open E string, note, strum. Open A string, strum. Okay? So, one more time. Note, strum, note, strum, note, strum. Note, strum, note, strum, note, strum. Okay, and that's repeated 10 times for the first verse. Okay, then the chorus, you're going to have an F. You could play the F like this. You could play the F like this. You could play the F like this. Doesn't matter, whatever works for you. So F, 4 beats, E minor, 4 beats, F, 4 beats, D, 4 beats, and then G, 8 beats. Now this G can either be done as 8 beats okay, or you can include the walk up, which would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right into the C of the next verse. So again, the next verse is the same. 2 beats on C, 2 beats on E minor, 2 beats on A minor. I'm sorry, 4 beats on A minor. Okay, now I think I said before, the A minor you can give a something like open, strum, and it's 10 times. One more time, do whatever F you can play. E minor, F, D, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right into the next verse. And again, you do not have to play the walk up if you find it a problem. You could just strum the G for 8 beats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now on the end of the song, you've done another verse, the line 10 times, you know, C, E minor, A minor. And the last chorus is F, E minor, F, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the end of the song. So the last G is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the end of the song. Okay, I hope you got something out of this. I hope that light wasn't shining too crazy. Okay, cool. Take care.